In this video, I'm going to reveal 4 of the best ways that you can make money online from home. And the only thing that you need is this phone right here. So watch this entire video to learn which one is right for you. Hello, my name is Alston Godbold. As a successful internet marketer, I have made money selling security cameras, sound bars, stand mixers, microwaves, online courses, and even web hosting. If you want to learn real tips and tricks to make money online, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online fast. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I want to share with you 4 simple ways that you can make money online from your phone for free. It only costs you your time. You can get up and running after this video, of course, and you can start seeing success relatively quickly. The first thing that you can do is actually sell on Etsy. Yes, Etsy is a marketplace. It has a ton of traffic because people are buying all sorts of stuff. Now, most people assume that you can only purchase physical products from Etsy. What I recommend that you do is go out and sell digital products. For example, if we take a look at here, we have bachelorette itinerary templates. Now you can create these for free using a website called Canva. If I bring up Canva, like this, we'll go to canva.com. We'll go to canva.com like that. And if I copy bachelorette itinerary template, copy this, and we jump back over to and paste this in like that, you're going to see that there are bachelorette itinerary templates that you can download. Now, the key with using Canva is you can't just download them and then sell them. That's against their terms of service. What you will need to do is make some changes, and then you can package them up and sell them. But you can see here, this is getting tons of views. Now, what I recommend that you do is watch the video that I uploaded yesterday on how to find high traffic, low competition products to sell on Etsy. What you're going to do, and you can actually use this right from your phone, is you're going to find low competition, high traffic templates. You're going to create a store over on Etsy and sell them. With this, you can make maybe $100 to $200 per day with this process, depending on how you price and depending on how many products you list. It is a continuous thing. You can't just list one product and then hope to be done. But that is number 1, using something like Etsy. Number 2 is creating and selling courses over on Udemy. Yes, you can create and sell courses on literally anything. If we just type in a random word, let's type in bachelorette again. We're using bachelorette here, and we're just going to hit enter. I'm sure there's a course on bachelorette. Oh, no courses on bachelorette. That is surprising. Let's type in Canva. We've used Canva before. We type in Canva, and there are courses teaching you how to make money with Canva. Look at this, the Canva Master Course. It has over 275 reviews. This probably means there's over 100,000 people that have enrolled in that course. If we click on this, this is a 15-hour course. There are over 2,000 students that have purchased this course. And assuming it was $9.99, if we did 2,041 and we multiply that by $9.99, you are looking at $20,000 on a course. Now, this course is a little bit longer course. 15 hours is a lot longer than a lot of the courses over on Udemy, but you can create a course in almost anything. We see that bachelorette is not something that you can create a course in, or that might be an opportunity. Let's see if we can do something with itinerary. We hit itinerary, hit enter, and there are 36 results for itinerary. So travel itinerary management course. This is only a 2-hour course, 181 reviews. But you can see here that there are tons of opportunity, and the only thing you need is your phone. Now, you can record all of your lectures right from your phone and then upload it into Udemy. What you could do is stack your phone on books, or prop it up somewhere on a shelf and just stand there and record. Or what you could do is you could create a faceless course. That means you'd use a PowerPoint or even a Google Slides and create the course. And these courses will sell anywhere between $9.99 and $14.99. Now, the only drawback to using Udemy is that you will have to split the revenue. If Udemy finds the customer for you, you're going to make like 20%. If you find the customers, you'll make 50 or 60%. So on this $9.99 course, you can make anywhere between $2.40 and $7 on a sold course. So keep that in mind if you are going to use Udemy. There are tons of places out there. You can even sell them yourself, and we'll talk about that more in just a moment. But you could use a website like Skillshare like this. and you can host your courses. Now, what I do is I actually have the same course on both Skillshare and Udemy. The requirements for Skillshare are a little bit different, so you can't just upload the exact same course in both places. You will have to make some subtle changes, but you can see that this is an opportunity as well. Now, number 3 is actually with starting a YouTube channel. Now, I really like starting a YouTube channel because there are tons of ways to make money online for free just using your phone. Yes, you could create videos right from your phone. In fact, a lot of the well-known YouTubers, they all started using their phone. They started with using a really cheap web camera. What you could do, for example, and I'll actually show you one of my other channels that has gotten tons of views, and it's actually just used with a phone that's propped up. All right, so this channel here, reviews and unboxings, you can see I only have 6 videos up, but this video here has 831 views, and it's just using my phone, and it's recording myself putting together this Little Tikes giant inflatable. Now, how am I making money with this? I'm making money with affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, which I'll talk about in just a moment, is where I grab my affiliate links from Amazon, and if someone were to click on the link and make a purchase within 24 hours, I can earn a commission. But you can literally create a YouTube channel on anything. If we just typed in, let's do wedding bachelorette itinerary template and hit enter again, you'll see there's an entire niche about bachelorette itineraries and bachelorette parties in general. What you could do is start a YouTube channel about bachelorette parties, everything that they need, things to do, things not to do, and then you could sell these templates that you created over on Canva. You could sell them yourself and make more money than just selling them through Etsy. But you could start an entire YouTube channel about anything. Now, what I want you to remember is that there are 4 billion people on the internet. That means there are literally hundreds of millions of people, at least millions of people, that are interested in whatever topic that you can think of. And you don't have to be an expert in whatever content that you create. You can be marginal, you can be just slightly above average, but you have more knowledge and information than someone that's coming to the internet searching. For example, just yesterday, I searched how to change lawnmower blades. Pretty common and obvious question that people are asking. Top result, 179,000 views from 2 years ago. The one below it, 854,000 views. The one below that, 189,000 views. So you can see people are literally asking about anything. Now I watched this top video, I think, and now I've got to change my wiper blades. There are literally millions of people that are interested in whatever topic you can think of. And I want to point out this one, 18,000 views, only 4,000 subscribers. So you can be a micro, tiny channel and still make money. But this is an incredible opportunity to start a YouTube channel, and you can make money in a number of ways. The YouTube Partner Program, so once you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, the YouTube is going to pay you, or YouTube Ads is going to pay you. You can also make money with affiliate marketing. I'll talk more about affiliate marketing in just a moment. You can sell your own digital or physical products. You can also have brand deals and sponsorships. Now, brand deals and sponsorships are basically in-video promotion. For example, if you've ever watched a video and the creator of the channel just stops and says, hey, this video was sponsored or brought to you by Alston Godbolt. Alston Godbolt's an incredible person. Definitely check out alstongodbolt.com. That is a sponsorship or a brand deal. And basically what happens there is the sponsor will pay the YouTube creator in order to mention his name and his YouTube channel. And that's how that works. You can make a decent amount of money. Don't expect to start seeing those types of things until you have at least 10,000 subscribers, but that is another opportunity as well. And the final one that I want to talk to you about, my favorite, is actually affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. If we're looking at this as an example, we could be an affiliate for Amazon and recommend different lawnmower blades. For example, if we jumped over to Amazon.com like that, and we typed in lawnmower blades, there are all sorts of different lawnmower blades. There are all sorts of lawnmower blades that we could recommend. We would simply say, hey, look, if you want to get the lawnmower blade that I'm using, click the link in the description. What you would need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of Amazon and click on Become an Affiliate. Walk through the process of signing up. It takes about 10 or 15 minutes, and then you can potentially make money. This channel over here, reviews and unboxings, that I initially showed you, that's basically an Amazon type channel. I'm reviewing and unboxing different products as I buy them, and then I'll put a video up. When people come to my YouTube channel to watch the video, they click the link in the description and I can make money. But you can see Amazon has all sorts of stuff. You don't have to just be an affiliate with Amazon. You can be an affiliate for literally almost any company, any large company. There's a few ways to find that affiliate program. You can either scroll down to the bottom of their screen and look for become an affiliate or partner with us, or you can come up to the search bar and type in the name of the program or the name of the company. For example, Best Buy affiliate program, and it'll take you right to that website. But affiliate marketing is a great way because you don't have to worry about shipping your own products. You don't have to worry about customer service. You are simply creating content to get in front of people that have a problem. For example, my problem is my wiper or my lawnmower blades are dull and I want to sharpen them or replace them. And so them walking me through the process and then making it easy for me to find the lawnmower blade that I need by putting the link in the description, it will help them make money and it'll help me solve my problem. So just to recap, the 4 different ways that you can make money online from your phone for free is with affiliate marketing, which is my personal favorite, selling digital products over on Etsy, starting a YouTube channel, or even creating a course with Udemy or Skillshare. Now that you know those 4 different ways, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.